Hello, in the next 3 videos, we will demonstrate Remedyforce and Automationedge integration. In the first video, we shall demonstrate Remedyforce Setups. Log into your Remedyforce instance. You land to the home page. Now go to the app launcher. You can see Automationedge app there. Before we proceed, let's first do an upgrade of the Automationedge app. So I have again log in with the URL provided. The upgrade Automationedge screen appears. Now we'll do the upgrade for admins only and click upgrade. So you can see that Automationedge has been installed. Now go back to your BMC Helix Remedyforce homepage and search for Automationedge app. We'll navigate to the Automationedge administration tab. Here we need to do the Automationedge setups. Before that, accept the end user license agreement and also agree for populating demo data. You come on the Automationedge config page. Right now you cannot see the demo data, but it will appear after some time. In the meanwhile, let us do the other setups. Let's go to Automationedge setup. Here we need to edit and we need to create a pull integration wherein Automationedge polls Remedyforce to request for jobs. We provide an org code and we provide the various status to be assigned, such as on submission it is assigned, on success it is Automationedge in progress. If it is diverted from Automationedge, it is say in progress. On failure, it is failed, and the status on success from Automationedge is completed. Let us save these setups. Next, we will go to Automationedge status setup. Here we need to click the create fields button to populate some fields from Remedyforce. And the next is to enter a scheduler interval, that is 30 seconds. Let us go back to Automationedge config. We can see 3 service requests from demo data. Let us click on employee onboarding. Employee onboarding is mapped to employee onboarding workflow in Automationedge. Also, the workflow attributes are mapped to the service request input parameters. The second is get active directory users list. It is mapped to the similar workflow name in Automationedge, and the workflow attributes are mapped to service request parameters. Lastly, Google Stocks. It is mapped to workflow Google Stocks, and the attributes are mapped to service request input parameters. Now we will navigate to settings, one last setting to be done, and we will go to advanced user details, profile, click on profile, and set your login IP ranges, link that will appear in a moment. Yes. So in the login IP ranges, create a new range and provide a suitable range so that your Automationedge server can be accessed. Save the configuration. So this completes Remedyforce setups. Thank you.